So every time you can remove a step, firewood is less work. And this setup, this total setup here removes at least 2 steps. And so the idea here is I've got a skid loader, and we might as well make a little portable shack, and then I can put this right next to the cabin and then handle it once to come bring into the house. So with this tire setup, you can essentially just keep splitting and splitting and splitting and just take a step each time. And that's kind of what I do. I have sort of I step left, I'm right-handed. So I hold my maul up high in the air and I kind of throw it and let the weight of the maul go. That's kind of my technique with splitting. But I can split, step over, split, step over, split, step over. I can split around